So in this video, I will be opening I forgot to name already. They're like little magnetic balls, and they're really fun and satisfying to play with. Warning label. Yeah, so if you saw that satisfying video, that's these, but I was using my friend Joe's. I've played with these, so they're not like packaged, and the square in the middle is not exactly perfect square. So yeah. Let's get started. Open the top off. It's really easy to open. Clear in the middle. Take the top off. Oh, also a little trick that I saw. You could clip the top into this, the thing that goes on top of the middle jar thing, and it closes on the holes too. So yeah.
I think this hurry up on the amps.
And yeah, so let's get it out. It's my favorite way to get it out. Comes into a ball like this. It's like a perfect ball, but I've used it before. This is 1010. I didn't want to get the colorful version because Oofer Boy Joe, aka Joe, said that the color wears off really easily. So yeah, really fun to play with, satisfying. And yeah, that's the video. And I'm actually gonna start a new series, desktop videos. It's where I do a bunch of stuff on my desk. And yeah, so that's kind of it. Bye.